In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-quality printing machine designed for precision and speed. With Power Boost 2.0 technology and an ultra-direct extruder, it can achieve printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining 0.1 mm precision, allowing for efficient and fast model creation. The printer offers easy control through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling users to monitor prints, transfer models, and control the printer from their mobile devices using the AnkerMake app. The Precision Mode feature supports up to 50 micrometers resolution for detailed prints, and the printer is compatible with a variety of filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and PLACF. With user-friendly features such as automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery functions, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate for easy print removal, the AnkerMake M5C is a reliable and versatile option suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Number 2. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for easy use and efficient printing. Made of polycarbonate in a sleek gray and black color scheme, this printer boasts dimensions of 15.9 inches in diameter, 15.7 inches in width, and 15 inches in height, with a weight of 12.92 kilograms. One of its standout features is the quick change nozzle, allowing for nozzle replacement in seconds without the need for tools. The heated, flexible, and removable build plate simplifies the model removal process, while auto-leveling functionality ensures easy calibration. Compatibility with various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Moreover, the auto-feeding mechanism with a filament sensor streamlines the filament loading process. For more information and resources, users are directed to visit the Monoprice website and search for the Voxel or use the part number 33820 to access the product page for software and manual downloads. Number 3. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge Finder 3 is a 3D printer that continues the classic design of its predecessor, the Finder 2.0, with a red and black color scheme and an integrated structure for easy use right out of the box. It boasts dual platform options, a glass platform for strong adhesion and a PEI magnetic steel plate platform with a gold PEI plate and anti-warping edge, offering versatility for different printing needs. The printer features intelligent sensor technology with functions like power loss recovery and filament runout detection, ensuring seamless printing even in unexpected situations. With a direct drive extruder design and support for various filaments including ABS, HIPS, PETG, TPU95A, and third-party filaments, the Finder 3 offers compatibility and a wide application range. The package includes the FlashForge 3D Printer Finder 3, a 12-month warranty, lifetime technical assistance, and 24-hour professional customer service. Number 4. Dremel DigiLab 3D45. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 Idea Builder 3D printer is a top-of-the-line 3D printing solution designed for advanced materials such as ECO-ABS, nylon, PETG, and PLA filaments. With its all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle capable of heating up to 280 degrees Celsius and a removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, this printer can handle a wide range of 1.75 mm filaments with ease. Recognized as the best 3D printer for professionals and small businesses by PCMag.com in 2022, this printer is built to be durable and reliable for daily use, making it ideal for architecture, engineering, education, and commercial applications. The user-friendly design includes a guided setup process, a 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen interface, and an automated 9-point leveling sensor for more successful prints. Additionally, Features like a built-in HD camera for remote monitoring and a sturdy enclosure further enhance the printing experience. Backed by Dremel's 85 years of quality craftsmanship, purchasing a Dremel 3D printer ensures access to their dedicated customer service team and a generous 1-year warranty. Number 5. Kingroon KP3S 3D Printer. The Kingroon KP3S FDM 3D printer is designed for ease of use and high-precision printing. Made from aluminum and steel, it boasts dimensions of 11 inches in diameter, 15.8 inches in width, and 14.6 inches in height, with a weight of 13.3 pounds. The printer is compatible with laptops and comes almost entirely pre-assembled, making setup quick and straightforward, ideal for beginners. Its dual linear guide rails ensure smooth and accurate printing, while the premium Titan extruder supports TPU flexible consumables, enhancing control accuracy and preventing clogging. Additionally, the printer features a resume printing function, allowing it to continue from the last recorded extruder position after unexpected power outages. With silent printing and cooling fans, the Kingroon KP3S offers a quiet and enjoyable printing experience, with high heat dissipation for smoother results.